What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple method where you can do affiliate marketing without a website, without a landing page, without paying for traffic. This is 100% free traffic method. All you have to do is carefully follow the instructions that I'm going to be talking about in this video, because this method is amazing. It's an underground method. You've never heard about this method before. You just have to follow the instructions very, very carefully. And so if you go to this website called webflow.com, this is a great website. This is a site where you can build a landing page. You can even build a full featured site here if you want. I already talked about this website on some of the previous videos, but I want to show you a very, very cool section of this website that you probably didn't even know about before. And so if you go to webflow.com/discover/recent, you're gonna be on a section of that site that showcases brand new sites that started moments ago or days ago or very, very recently. So here I am on this page called Explore the Showcase, and you can look at popular, following, recent, clonable, and this is incredible because these sites just got started. So for instance, if I click on this project here, we have a project, and this is a guy from Nigeria, and he just started a website just today, right? And this is brand new. Let me take a look at what else. So we have another website, and this is a guy in Brooklyn, New York, and he started a website, and you can kind of learn more about it. So I can click on this link, I can read more about it, I can see what he's doing, I can go back and I can, try another website. So here's a really cool website, and this is, let's take a look at this website. And this is send payment request. Look at this beautiful animations. And this website was just launched, okay? It was just launched just yesterday, okay? And this is incredible because it's extremely challenging to find these kinds of scenarios where you have a list of brand new websites that were just launched. And as the case happens to be, these are mostly business websites. And what does that mean? Well, if you see business websites, that means you're dealing with people who are interested in buying something, in buying products and services. You are dealing with people who are essentially interested in spending money in order to make money. So all of these websites, for the most part, they're going to be business websites. I mean, you're going to see a personal website here and there, but that's absolutely fine. So it doesn't really matter if they're business or personal, except with business, it's kind of easier to sell to them. And so take a look at this website. Auctionable, actionable, building data instantly, okay? We combine calm environment with 3D elements to give context to an abstract business. And there's so many things that we can do. These are brand new websites. We can sell them so many cool things. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can take these websites and exactly what kind of offers you can promote to them. And that way you can make money with affiliate marketing by reaching customers that nobody else is doing, because nobody else that I know of is familiar with this method, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is you have to download one of my favorite extensions, and you can Google for it. It's called the Chrome Scraper extension. This is an amazing extension. If you Google for this, you're gonna find it here. So if you click on it, you will be able to download. It has over 100,000 users. I use it several times a day. It's an amazing extension. And so once you install this extension, once you set everything up, what you want to do is you want to right click and you want to click on Scrape Similar. Now you want to pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you in the next few minutes, because by default, it's not doing what we want it to do. And so you have to know what you're doing. So if I do that, I just see View Project, which is this thing right here. Once I hover over, I see View Project. This is not good enough for us. So what we need to do is pay close attention to this. This is very simple. This is not rocket science. You want to click on plus here, and you want to enter the following. You want to enter href. You're going to keep it name. Name is fine, or you can put it URL. That's fine. And then if you do scrape, you still don't see the data. That is because you need to do another thing. What you need to do is you need to paste this piece of code here, okay? You need to paste this piece of code. This is what it looks like here. You can just copy it. You're going to have this. And then if you hit scrape, you're going to see the websites here, okay? And what you want to do is you want to copy to clipboard. You're going to copy to clipboard. You're going to open a new Google Sheet. You're going to go to the second row and you're going to paste. Or actually to the first row. You can go to the first row and you can paste it. Now, the next thing you want to do in Google Sheets, take a look at this URL. This is not the full URL. This is called a relative URL because it doesn't have the domain in there. So what you need to do is you need to type URL. And so you're going to type the following, =concat, and then you're going to type webflow.com. Okay, you're going to finish that. And then you're going to click on this cell here. And so once you do that, you're going to have a full URL. So in fact, you can even do it better. You don't need this. So let me fix that. So once you do that, you have the full URL. So I can right click on it and I can go to open link, or I can press Command Enter. And I can go to the website directly. And now before you do anything else, what you want to do is you want to get back to the screen and you want to go into presets. And you want to save this. So I'm going to call this Webflow. I'm going to save it. That way, it's always going to work. So once I do Webflow, it's always going to work. So what I want to do is, I was on this first page here. I can go to next page. Then I can right click. I can go into scrape similar. And then I choose my preset. I go into presets here. I choose it. And right away, I have all my data. And this is the second page. In terms of Webflow, in the section where it has new sites, you need to go page by page. You cannot get a whole list of sites automatically. So I can do the same thing. I can copy to clipboard. I can go back to my Google spreadsheet. I can paste it here. I can delete this row here. I can right click, delete this row. And remember, we did this already. So all we need to do is drag that corner. And now we have all these websites. Let me do another page real quick, but it's the same process. So all I go to the next page, I right click, I go to scrape similar, and I have to load my preset. I click on presets, I click on Webflow, and voila, I have my website. So I'm going to copy to clipboard. I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. I'm going to paste. I'm going to delete this row here, this header row, delete it. And then I need to choose a cell here, and I can double click on it, and that's going to fill it up with websites. So in less than a couple of minutes, I have 37 brand new websites that were just launched, okay? And this is incredible. I can click on them. I can browse through them here. I can browse through them on my website. And there's so many amazing things that I can do. And so the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google Docs and create this document. And you can call it something like New Business Start Guide, okay? And then you can say something like, hey, company name, congratulations on taking your first step and starting a website. Here are some unique resources to get going on the right path, to get you going, to get your company going on the right path. General new business skills. And then here are the ideas. So for instance, if you are dealing, now you have to tailor your pitch for the website because it really depends on the website. If it's a general website, okay, so marketing that really works, or, so for instance, this website here, landing page with e-commerce featuring a passion brand development project I've been working on. You can promote web design. Okay, you can promote things like web design. And what kind of web design courses? You go into Udemy affiliate program, and they have web design courses. So if you go to Udemy affiliate program, you sign up as an affiliate and you can promote all kinds of offers, including web design offers, okay? Now, there are some websites that are a little bit related to code or programming or development, a little bit of techie websites. In that case, you can promote Treehouse or refer students and earn cash to join the Treehouse affiliate program, and you can do that, okay? All businesses do accounting. All businesses need to do accounting. So if this is anything remotely an entrepreneur, a company, a small business, somebody starting out, they need to do accounting and they need to be able to do it right from the beginning. And so you can promote FreshBooks. So if you go to freshbooks.com/affiliate program, you can promote FreshBooks here. And this is a really nice affiliate program. They reward you for trial sign-up commissions and upgrade commissions as well. Now, the next type of offers, these are going to be specific offers. And later in the video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pitch and structure all of this very, very easily. So it looks very, very powerful. I also noticed that on Webflow, you have businesses that are a little bit more techy. They're doing things like scraping. They're data-based businesses, and they are looking for leads. They're scraping leads. They're trying to find leads. In that case, you can promote an Appify affiliate program, send the customer our way, and earn a 20% commission, recurring commission, as our affiliate with no limits on what you can do. So if you're not familiar, Appify is one of the best tools in order to extract data from any website. And I actually use Appify myself, and I've been using it with great success. It has been working really, really well for me. And so you can see I have some scrapes that I'm doing, some things that I'm working on. So this is a great program to promote. I actually believe in them myself. Next, you can promote Bluehost. You can reach out and say, hey, you started a Webflow website. Well, did you know that Bluehost is a lot cheaper than Webflow? Because Webflow is more expensive. Because with Bluehost, it only costs like $2 or $3 a month to start a website. And you can install all kinds of plugins, WordPress plugins, things like that. And it's going to cost cheaper in the long run than a tool like Webflow. Or you can promote WP Engine, which is kind of like Bluehost on steroids. They offer managed services, meaning like if your website is handling a lot of traffic, if it's going to be a business website, and you need to make sure you're getting the support, you're getting the right support from WordPress-based engineers and things like that, and you can promote something like WP Engine. But the best strategy that I feel is to create a document like this where you can go into Google Docs and say new business startup guide. Actually, let's do a new business startup guide. Hey, company name, congratulations on taking your first step and starting a website. Here are some unique resources to get your company going on the right path. General new business skills, specific new business skills, okay? Now, the way you want to do it is you want to take a look on the website. You can consult your Google Sheet here, and you can take a look. It makes it a lot easier. What I really like about Google Sheets is that once you create a website, if you hover over, it's going to create a thumbnail. It's even going to tell you a little bit what the website is about. So it makes it really easy to go through each of the websites here and figure out exactly what the website is about. So here we have most marketing is a waste of money, not with us. So if they're doing online marketing, you can promote campaign management tools, Facebook marketing tools, Google Ads marketing tools. You can also promote tools that create marketing videos for them because they're doing marketing. There's lots of things that you can do. Landy promotion. Look at the CY, over 500 professionals, businesses have chosen Webflow. So this is actually Webflow. This is some syndicate. This is the first site I designed myself. It's a concept of a site that already exists. So look at this one. You have Jose, portfolio development with Macy.js, tons of images, exported sites, Cycle2.js. So this guy looks like a developer. So you can promote coding boot camps. You can promote different courses, things like that. The best thing about this method, you have to understand, this is very, very important to understand, is that if somebody took the first step of creating a website, they've kind of qualified themselves as somebody who is interested in moving forward. Because lots of people want to create a website, but very, very few people create a website. So if somebody actually went on here and created a website, so if I go into recent and I see all these websites, that means that they're almost there. They're almost ready to start making money. They're almost ready, or they are pretty much ready to start getting clients, to start buying products, to start buying services. So this is pretty much a gold mine. I actually can't believe that Webflow is exposing this kind of list, because I can go to any site. So for instance, Matthew Cooper, I can go to his website here and I can find his email. I can find his contact. He has this contact right here. So I can go to his website here. I have his contact here. And I can pitch him products and services. He works at Intercom. I use this site to share lessons I learned the hard way, as well as odd observation or unfinished thought on product management, mobile, etc., etc. So I can go to contact and I can pitch him an idea. I can pitch him something that he might be interested in possibly buying a product or service. So there's lots and lots of ideas. There's lots of things that you can do. But the best part of it all is that if you use the method that I tell you about, you're going to have a long list. If you follow the exact instructions, you're going to have a long list of possible leads, possible clients that you can contact and you can pitch them any kind of product that you want. So here I have a sample guide, a sample document, new business startup guide, where you can pitch to them. We have general new business skills, but you can also pitch specific new business skills. But it's really up to you. There's lots of interesting things that you can offer to them. There's lots of interesting ideas. You can build a relationship. You can work for them. You can work with them. You can sell them affiliate products. It's really up to you. The sky is the limit. All right, guys. So this is all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I really, really hope you've gotten value in this method. I don't think many people know about this functionality where you can find newly created websites and reach people that have just announced their intention of starting a business or making money, and you can promote so many things to them. And so I really hope you found this valuable. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this method. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this method. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.